Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like the AI boom is happening all around you and you're missing out on the big opportunities? Yeah, I know, I've been there too. You read about these headlines, billion-dollar breakthroughs, quantum computing, AI infrastructure, and you think, man, how do I even get in without losing my shirt? Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to something that could change the way you look at trading AI stocks forever. It's called Rebel AI Formula. And trust me, it's not your typical get-rich-quick hype. Nope, this is structured, time-conscious, and actually doable. So what is Rebel AI Formula exactly? In short, it's a 5-day live online training program, 3 main days plus 2 bonus days, that teaches you a simple, repeatable way to trade AI and quantum-related stocks. And the best part? You don't have to sit in front of charts all day watching every little move. Nope, it's just 20 to 30 minutes a day. Sounds good, right? Let me break it down for you day by day. Day 1, Foundations. You start by learning the real opportunity behind AI and quantum infrastructure stocks. No fluff. You'll get set up with the tools you need and focus on one core trading skill that forms the foundation of the entire system. Day 2, the Rebel Trader Options Strategy. Here's where the magic happens. You'll learn how to select the right stocks, identify entry points, manage position sizes, all with a sweet 35 to 45-day trading window designed to balance risk and reward. And yes, there's a 20-minute morning routine to get everything ready. Day 3, Execution and Risk Management. This is when theory becomes practice. You get live trade walkthroughs, learn risk rules to protect your capital, set profit targets, and even discover the set and forget method so trades can almost manage themselves. Day 4, Scaling and Automation. Now that you've got the basics, you learn how to grow your account, use AI tools to speed up research, and integrate trading into your daily life. Plus, access to a private community called the Trader Hive, where people share ideas and support each other. And finally, Day 5, the 6-figure income system. For those ready to level up, this bonus day shows advanced strategies, creating multiple streams of opportunity and a roadmap for building consistent, higher income trading over time. There's even a live Q&A with Sean, the founder, to get your personal game plan mapped out. And if you think that's all, Rebel AI Formula also comes with 6 amazing bonuses. Private Discord group, live support, discussions, and archived replays, session transcripts, never miss a single detail, Cliff Notes versions, quick summaries for easy reference, extra Ask Me Anything live session, get your questions answered directly, bonus seat for a spouse or partner because learning together is better, and 24-hour session replays, flexibility for busy schedules. Basically, they've thought of everything. So, who is Rebel AI Formula really for? It's for busy professionals, beginners or intermediate traders, anyone interested in AI and quantum tech, and people who want a simple, repeatable system that doesn't require all-day screen time. If that sounds like you, this program could be a game changer. It's structured, it's clear, and it's designed to help you participate in the AI boom without turning trading into a second job. All right, if you're ready to take the first step and actually trade AI stocks with confidence, Rebel AI Formula gives you the roadmap, the rules, and the tools to do it. And honestly, in a market this big, learning the right system now can make all the difference later. So, if you want more details, I've put a link below where you can check out Rebel AI Formula, see all the live sessions, bonuses, and the step-by-step plan. Don't just watch the AI revolution happen, be a part of it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips like this. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, it's not about rushing, it's about trading smart, not hard. Catch you later.